Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, Waray Waray Glimpse in Germany. So today's vlog, I will cook adobo chicken. It's a Filipino dish. So first we have to put an oil. We have to fry our chicken, and we have a chicken here. So we have vinegar. Add some vinegar. Add some soy sauce. I will add also an oyster sauce. I forgot the onions. So I already added some water, and then we have to cover it and wait for 1 hour until the meat is tender. Okay, so we will check it later. So guys, let's check again our adobo, and it's already cooked. And if you want to cook this adobo, you have sorry, if you want to cook this adobo, you have also to try. You have also to taste it. So we have to taste if I think it's good already. It's perfect, but it also depends to your taste. You can still add some water, or you can still add some salt. It depends to your taste. But now, as you can see, it's fast drying up, this adobo, and the chicken is already soft. So I will still wait for like 10 minutes, and it's already finished. And we still have to cover it, and we can lower the fire. We can lower it. And now I also cook some rice, because the best partner for adobo is rice. So in 5 to 10 minutes we are done, and we are ready to eat. Hi guys, so my Filipino chicken adobo is finished. So this is the rice, and this is the chicken adobo. So let's eat. Come. So, like that. So, first bite. It's very hot. It's already around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's already dinner time. Let's eat, guys. hot. Okay guys, thank you for watching my vlog, and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sorry guys, my English is not so good, because I will try my best to speak in English, because I'm living here in Germany, so I used to speak German, and I don't used to speak English. That is why. So let's eat. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.